Hello teachers and student. Sa video po na ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung halimbawa ng ating tinatawag na action plan for YES o for Youth for Environment in School Organization. So ano ba yung mga proposed activities or annual activities na pwede natin implement or facilitate for this new normal. So ito yung ating pag-aaralan sa video na ito. Bago natin simulan ng video na to, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa akin channel, please click yung subscribe at yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga latest educational video. Okay? So, meron tayo dito halimbawa ng action plan for YES o ano ba yung mga activities na pwede natin isagawa through online or dahil nga all distance learning tayo this school year. Ano yung mga pwede? So, meron tayo dito mga action plan for month, strategies, outputs, yung mga people in charge or involved person, time frame, and resources. Yan. So, these all the important things na dapat meron sa ating action plan or proposed plan sa ating YESO. Okay, for September, we have membership of course, election of officers, and meeting of programs and activities. So, yan, mag-meeting yung mga officers, kung sino yung mga pwede ma-elect, with the help of our YESO advisor and chairman. So, yan. So, magiging group in charge dyan yung advisors and officers. Ang kailangan lang natin dito internet connection, mobile data, or smartphone o laptop. Okay? So, kakaroon ng nomination or voting system. Then, meron mga meetings regarding sa mga programs through Google Meet or online, different online platforms. Then, for November, ayan. For November, we have the National Environmental Awareness Month. Okay, so ito yung community cleanup drive, poster making about environmental conservation. So yung community pwede nilang gawin to or pwede naman sa bakuran lang nila or sa bahay. So kasama pa rin yun. YESO officer and yung internet connection niya to facilitate yung mga poster making. Pwede mag-organize kayo ng isang poster making through online din. They will make it through while you're having a Google Meet. You will observe then, open ang cam, ang microphone, then yun, magpo-poster making kayo. Then you will give time and criteria. Then pwede rin urban gardening. So it can be done also at home. So isa rin sa mga activity for November. For December, okay, so December we have the climate action. So it's about climate month. Okay, so environmental conservation video, you can forward on them, yung mga ating mga environmental videos na pwede na mapanood. And collection of plastic and recycling contest. Ayan, so napakaganda nito. You will have a recycling contest or sa climate action, pwede dyan yung mga eco photo contest, yan. YESO advisor and mga internet connection dens and kailangan din nila ng mga mobile gadget. Okay, so for January naman, ito naman yung National Zero Waste Month. Okay, you will have a webinars about zero waste management and yung mga YESO advisors din. So, napakahalaga din po ng internet or mobile devices na pwede nilang gamitin. And then for February, it will be a World Wetlands Day. They will have a river and irrigation cleanup. Pwede ito gawin sa bahay lang nila, sa bakuran nila, or in their backyard. They will post it in their Facebook, yung kanila, or send the pictures, di ba? Pwede po yun. And then for March, we have Philippine Water Week. Okay, it's about awareness on how to save and conserve water. So it will be water conservation awareness. They will post ways on how to conserve water, right? So it will be YESO members and officers then. So kailangan magpakita sila, pwedeng gawin sa bahay. Ano ba yung tamang conservation? Like sending a video, di ba? On demonstration activity na pinapakita yung pagko-conserve ng water. That should be practiced every day, di ba? Next, for April, we have the International Earth Day. So, it's about Earth Hour. They will post Earth Hour Day, di ba? It's about posting like making a slogan. It will be a good activity also on April. And yun nga, to conserve energy naman to, di ba? So, ano ba? How? Pwede rin nilang pakita yan through pictures, photos, di ba? They will take pictures using their mobile devices. Diba? Pwede po yun. They will post in your Google Classroom. So, for April. Next May, it's about Month of Ocean International Day for Biological Diversity. So, pwede rin dyan yung mga clean-up drive in your canals and in your bank sites. Pwede rin po yun. Next for June, it will about World Environment Day or Philippine Environment Month. So, ito, magkakaroon kayo ng environmental article publication. 'Di ba? Pwede article making. They will submit through their guardians. 'Di ba? Kasabay ng modules, pwede silang gumawa ng articles. They will have a performance output regarding the World Environment Day. Ano ba yung mga issues that should be tackled? Pwede editorial part of article making. 'Di ba? So, pwede po yun. Maganda yun. To know their opinions regarding the changes in our environments. Pwede yun. Di ba? Pwede naman in the form of comics, di ba? They will create art like that. Then for July, it will be a National Disaster Consciousness Month. So it will have an earthquake drill that can be done also at home. But before that, it will be better if you will have a video presentation regarding a national disaster. The preparedness, ano ba yung mga dapat malaman, need to prepare, di ba? Para maging aware yung ating mga YESO members and students, di ba? So, pwede yun. Pwede rin yung mga ating mga officers, pwede they have facilitate seminars, di ba? Sila yung magli-lead. They will discuss it with the other students. So, pwede po yun. Okay? For National Disaster Consciousness Month. So, yeah, sa paggawa nyo po ng action plan, like in YESO, dapat meron po tayong annual proposed activities and it will be based din sa mga calendar na activities na nilalabas ng ating DepEd. So, ano ba yung mga sets of seminars, celebrations, doon po natin dapat i-base kung ano yung ilalagay natin dito na regarding nga sa ating mga environment, of course, yung makakatulong sa kapaligiran, in our nature, at sa ating mga kabataan para maging aware sila sa mga nangyayari dahil sa mga ating paligid na totally ngayon talaga nakakalungkot man, merong mga changes na nakaka-apekto sa ating pamumuhay. So, it will be helpful talaga na lagi nating i-emphasize sa ating mga students yung importance ng environment. Okay? So, kahit ngayong new normal, 'di ba, medyo talagang hirap lumabas, hindi talaga nakakalabas ang ating mga kids or pupils, ma-practice nila at home pa din, 'di ba? So, malaking tulong yung for their family, 'di ba? Maging aware sila sa mga nangyayari sa paligid at in the future, makatulong sila. Okay, kung paano talaga malilesen yung pollution, yung climate change, mawawala, okay, so makoconserve ang water, in a simple way tulad nun, 'di ba? We will make a change for our environment na ating tinitiran, of course, na will be benefit also for us, 'di ba? Magkakaroon tayo ng benefit doon. So, sa resources, usually talaga sa mga activities, minsan kailangan talaga natin ng mga internet or wifi for the activity. Pero kung kaya naman siya na through modules like articles or making a performance task, pwede po yun, nagagawin nila at home na hindi na kailangan kumonek sa internet, much better. You can, like yung paggawa ng recycling products, you can send them or give them a guidelines or procedure, step by step, that will be, pag kinuha yung module, kasabay nun, di ba? Piprint nyo, so magkakaroon sila ng guidelines, di ba? Pwede rin yung paggawa ng mga pamphlets or environment, pwede nyo gawin yon as a teacher, then give them activities on that, pwede po yun. So, marami tayong mga activities na pwedeng idagdag na makakatulong para sa ating mga learners, lalo na this time. So, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan, yung mga activities na in a month, pwede kayong maglaan ng 2 to 3 activities or more pa. 'Di ba? So, ang dami pwede po maging activities regarding sa environmental issues or yung mga related matters like yun nga, sa pollution, how to lessen that, pag-celebrate ng mga anti-smoking program, so pwede po yun, or awareness, 'di ba? So, marami po tayong activities. Gawin lang natin talaga maging creative on how it will facilitate o yung mga strategies or techniques na pwede natin gawin para ma-promote ang mga environmental activities na makakatulong. So, yun po yung pwede natin i-add sa ating YESO. Then, yun nga, pag nagawa ninyo, of course, that will be a great change, 'di ba? In your school at in your students. Nandiyan po yung halimbawa ng ating mga activities. So, pwede pa kayong magdagdag dito. Okay, so ano ba yung mga naiisip nyo pa na angkop appropriate sa inyong community, sa inyong school, with your learners. So, napakarami na makakatulong sa ating environment and in our school also. So, yun po. Ngayon, kung may tanong kayo sa video na to, huwag po kayong mahiya. type nyo lang sa comments section sa baba. At if nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please click the like button. So, maraming salamat. Till next time with Teacher Dean.